All right, YouTube. It's another beautiful day. Storm's rolling in. Grass is growing. So, and as you can tell, it's farm grass. We don't live in a city no more. Started cutting the field over there. Let me show you what we're doing inside the barn. Let's go on inside and take a walk. Let's go take a walk in the barn. Remember when you couldn't see the floor in here no more? Well, guys, we got the floor clean. Woohoo! Gas can. 89 octane ethanol free. Chevron Tektron. That's all I run. $4.19 a gallon as of June 2025. Run nothing but that. This is is that a Cub Cadet? Where's the rest of it? That is a Cub Cadet XT1. Ho! What happened? 46-inch cut deck. I have 490 hours on this bad boy. That's right. And I've neglected it. I ain't done diddly squat to it other than abuse the living daylights out of this thing. I haven't even changed the oil in 5 years. That's not good. So, I thought I'd give it some love. I have originally bought it with these blades. Then I bought the mulch kit with those blades. And it kind of struggled. I took the mulch kit. Well, I left those blades on, but I put the chute back on. Works great. Lots of tall grass that shoots out. Now I'm going to the Oregon 46-inch. Where's the UPC? There you go. Is there a model number on these bad boys? I'm not seeing it. I got one on already. They are the 6-bladed Star. Those are some beefy blades. It fits. I'm pretty sure I don't have any clearance issues with it spinning. 24 millimeter bolt. That's how I remember. Spark plugs. Champion RC12YC. I got 2 of them in there. I did frag boot. You know why I fragged my boot? Because I used the wrong freaking tool. New hood clamp. Old hood clamp. Old hood clamp said, "See you later, goodbye. Have a nice day." There it is. It broke. So my hood kept falling off. I got a 2-pack of those from my buddies over there at Amazon. The Amazon. There's the other one, keeping it just for good looks. Oh, made in China here. In case you guys have been drinking, I'll turn it around. There's the part number. I don't know if I have affiliate links or not. If I do, I'll put one in the corner. Got myself the original Kohler oil filter. Like I said, I haven't touched this oil in 5 years. Why? I've just been lazy. Doesn't look bad, does it? There's your oil filter. I don't like that fuel filter. That fuel filter's coming off. I'm not happy with it. I will show you why. Motor serial number, in case you need it. Tractor information on what year it was made. This was made in 2015. When you take the hood off, right here, this is the good stuff right there. That tells you spark plug, belts, drive belt, transmission belt, blade belt, blades, mulching blades, everything you could possibly need. Air filter. Air filter. Look at this. Look at this. Don't judge. You ready? You ever seen a Chia Pet air filter? 5 years. That's a That's a Chia Pet air filter. I do not service my lawnmower. I abuse the living daylights out of it. My gas-powered golf cart, oh yeah, that thing gets babied. That gets babied. That's got brand new fuel filters on it, new spark plugs, runs avgas. That thing gets babied. Lawnmower, I abuse the living daylights out of it. Good testimonial for Cub Cadet. So we're gonna do an oil change. Put the fuel filter that I have on the golf cart, because I really, really, really like those. Let's go over there and take a look at those. Hang on. Now, here's a bag of Amazon. I hope you can't see that because I don't recommend you buy it. These are really freaking cheap. The fuel lines slide off of these. This is garbage. No. What I do buy is these bad boys. I think Sten's. It's an Arnold fuel filter, model number FF fuel filter, 125A. They're like $10 a piece as opposed to $1 a piece. I really, 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 really like these guys. These are nice. I have 2 of them on this particular model with 2 fuel shutoffs. Like I said, I baby the golf cart. Love it. Love my golf cart. This thing I just abuse the snot out of. I'm changing my ways. There's the Hail Mary, Father, Son, Holy Mother, Ghost. So, as of today, she's going to get some love. I got all kinds of stuff coming. I just gave you a peek. I got the Oregon blades on it. I would love to put the mulching kit back on, but I'm going to run it with the side discharge first. I'm going to change that fuel filter out. Once again, I only run, pure ethanol-free fuel in this thing. Here's my secret. I'm going to come over here. You all know it. You watch me long enough. This is why. I run the AMSOIL small engine oil. I sell the daylights out of it. I haven't put it in that mower in 5 years, and it's still good. So I'm going to go put some fresh oil in it, new oil filter. It'll probably blow up. Run the gasoline stabilizer. I don't have it in this cabinet. This is all automotive. I'm going to have to walk over here to the small engine. Small engine. So we have the PI Quick Shot, and I buy it in the big bottle. That goes in all of my small engines. There's no small engine oil. So that's what we got. Got some 6-ton jacks. Generator, it's hurricane season. I just got my generator hooked up to the house. My electrician has my cords. It's got I baby this thing. This is my lifeblood. I just changed the oil in it. AMSOIL, small engine oil, you guessed it. I got to take a look at the air filter. My bad. I got the ethanol-free fuel in it. You ever bought one of these? These are freaking awesome. These are the fuel sucker riders. Definitely love it. So we're ready for hurricane season. I have, 5 gallons of fuel in there. I have 10 gallons of fuel in there. And then I have 3 gallons of fuel in here. All this is ethanol free. And then I have 5 gallons of ethanol free fuel there. And then we're going to go past this. Up here on the rack where I keep my tires, I got 5 can empty, another 5 can empty in back, and a 1 can empty right there. So I got plenty of fuel. I got my street tires when I used to live in the city. Now I got wait a minute, those are my mud tires. Hang on a minute here. Oh, I still got my street tires on this thing. So this thing hasn't moved in 3 years because we've been busy out here building the house and getting ready. So right now, this is getting worked on. Just got the plug sitting here. You know, nobody's got this freaking plug. This is a BPR2ES NGK plug. And freaking nobody stocks these damn things. Not even Amazon. Amazon wants like $10 a piece for them. You know, screw that. I can get them at Riley Brothers, I think they're called, for $4.99. So, yes, it is supposed to have a 5 in it, but some of these models run hotter. And this little bad boy runs the 2ES because it runs, you got it, 89 octane, no ethanol. Back to this. This is what the whole video's been about. I've been rambling for 10 minutes. Holy smokes. Somebody put a freaking sock in his mouth. I got the new air filter coming on Amazon today. I have the spark plug sitting right there. I've already pulled the plug wires off of them. I've already got these guys finger tight. Let's take a look at one of these guys. You know, really, for 5 years, it's not that bad. It's not that bad for 5 years. So we're going to put new plugs, new air filter, change the oil, new air filter, or oil filter, new oil. I'm going to get the AMSOIL Power Foam and spray this thing. That was really loud. Clean up the block here. Spray all this. Put the correct oil, fuel filter that I like in there. I got new tires coming. That's a secret. I'm not telling you what's coming, but they're coming. That's it. So next week, I might even do a step-by-step on how I do all this stuff, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that the mower is getting some love. I bought her in 2016, brand new, at the big box store for, I don't know, what I pay, $1,500, $1,600? And we moved in here in the country 4 years ago, and I just been cutting, and broke a hood mount. Got the brush, put the brush guard on there. That was the really, really good investment. But she's going to get some love. She's going to get some love. The deck is in perfect shape on the bottom. It's had AMSOIL grease in the wheels. Come on, the stuff doesn't break down. Put the PI in it, the AMSOIL stabilizer, the AMSOIL quick shot, the AMSOIL oil. I don't know, man. It just keeps running. It's a freaking tank. But she's getting some love. It's coming next week. It's going to be a how-to on your Cub Cadet XLT. Show you how to get the hood off. It's really easy. Yeah, I'll show you. This is simple. You just unbolt it there and slide it out and bolt a new one in. These were $5 a piece on Amazon. 2-pack for 10. I mean, that side's probably going to break now, so I bought the 2-pack. Super easy motor to work on. Love it. Haven't had any issues with it. We're done. We're saying out. See you guys. Stay tuned next week. Wait till you see what I turn this into. And you know what? I'm going to do a little engine work on this guy, and I'm going to change the exhaust on this puppy. And we're going to make this guy zing. That's coming too. All right. See you, bud. Have a good day.